Very good morning, students. We were on lesson 8, flash of light, flash of light explanation. So open your books to page number 57, lesson 8, flash of light, English literature. Page number 97. Till here explanation done. Valentine met a beggar to whom he gave a coin, blind beggar, and he gave a coin. From here, surely, sir, said the beggar, who was an honest man, you have made a mistake. You have given me a franc instead of a sou. Surely, sir, said the beggar. Beggar said that beggar was a very honest man, so he said, sir, you have made a mistake. You have given me a franc instead of a sou. आपने मुझे क्या दिया है? Franc दिया है instead of a sou. Franc is a French coin worth 100 centimes and sou is a French coin no longer in use worth 1/20 of a franc. Means sou is also a French coin which is now no longer in use, and franc is a French coin 100 centimes. So the beggar said that you have made a mistake. You given me a franc instead of a sou. सौ अब यूज़ नहीं होता, जैसे हमारे यहाँ 50 पैसा 25 पैसा अब यूज़ नहीं होता ना, वैसे फ्रेंच में 100 अब यूज़ नहीं होता है. तो उसने कहा कि आपने मुझे फ्रांक दे दिया है इंस्टेड ऑफ अ सौ, मतलब 100 देना चाहिए था आपको. फ्रांक की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है और 100 की वैल्यू कम है, तो आपने मुझे ज़्यादा को पैसा दे दिया है. Valentine was astonished. Valentine was surprised. Astonished means surprised. He was not surprised by the man's honesty, but by the fact that he could tell so quickly the difference between a franc and a sou. He was not amazed by man's honesty, but the beggar was blind, so he was surprised by the fact that how he could recognize so quickly the difference between a franc and a sou. How did you know that I had given you a franc? Asked Valentine. Oh, replied the beggar, it is enough for me to pass my finger over it. This was like a flash of light in Valentine's head. Oh, replied the beggar. Beggar said that मेरे लिए काफ़ी है कि मैं अपने फिंगर से टच करूँ, उसको ऐसे पास करूँ और बता दूँ कि क्या है वो. तो वैलेंटाइन के दिस वॉज अ फ्लैश ऑफ लाइट इन वैलेंटाइन्स हेड. Valentine allowed the beggar to keep the franc, although it was a great deal of money in those days. Valentine allowed the beggar to keep the franc. In those days, franc was a great deal of money. franc बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा होता था उन दिनों में. As he continued his walk, he thought to himself, if the blind can distinguish at the least touch a piece of money, why should they not distinguish a mark, a letter, or a figure? In short, they should be able to distinguish any sign so long as it is raised. So, as he continued his walk, मतलब he started his walking, वो अपने घर जा रहा था ना, तो रास्ते में सोचता रहा कि अगर एक ब्लाइंड मैन कैन डिस्टिंग्विश अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, टच करके पीस ऑफ पेपर को बता सकता है, तो वो क्यों नहीं एक लेटर को, एक मार्क को डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकता है. In short, they should be able to distinguish any sign so long as it is raised. जो भी साइंस और लेटर्स जो उठे हुए हैं उनको टच करके वो कुछ भी ब्लाइंड मैन बता सकता है. was this idea, Valentine took home a blind boy who he found begging at the church door. The blind boy became the first pupil and learned very quickly how to read from raised signs. With the help of money donated by the public, Valentine Haw was able to start a school for the blind. उसके दिमाग में आइडिया आया. उसने एक ब्लाइंड बॉय को who was found begging at a church door, वो ले गया उसको घर. The blind boy became his first pupil. पहला स्टूडेंट बना. pupil में स्टूडेंट बना उसका वैलेंटाइन का. And learned very quickly how to read from raised signs. And that blind boy learned very quickly from the raised signs, जो उठे हुए signs होते हैं. With the help of money donated by the public donated the money, and then Valentine Haw able to open a school for the blind. Some years later, a blind man called Louis Braille, also a Frenchman like Valentine Haw, perfected a system of writing specially for the blind. This writing is called Braille. Some years later, कुछ साल बाद, एक blind man था whose name is Louis Braille. He was a Frenchman. जैसे कि वैलेंटाइन हॉ था वैसे ही वो Frenchman वो भी था, but he is blind. So perfected a system of writing especially for the blind. Blind के लिए एक writing system निकाला. This writing is called Braille. इसको क्या कहते थे? इस writing को Braille कहते थे. Till here we have completed. So this what is Braille we will learn tomorrow. I will explain you tomorrow. Now come to the question answers. Page number 99. Answer the following questions. Only first we will do. Where was Valentine and what was he thinking about? Valentine was where was Valentine and what was he thinking about? So Valentine was on his way home and was thinking about the warm room and the glowing fire that would greet him on his arrival. Okay, this is your classwork. Now your homework. Note down your homework. Okay, you have to learn the word meanings of this flash of light only. You have to learn the word meanings. These word meanings you have to learn. This is your homework. Okay, students. So, children's your classwork. You have to complete question number A in your classwork copies and homework. Note down your homework in your diaries. You have to learn word meanings of lesson 8. Okay, explanation of this lesson is still left. We will try to complete it tomorrow.